So, more and more green cards and citizenship are being denied in the past 7 months. And there are two main legal reasons why these cases are getting denied. There's the mandatory reason and there is the discretionary reason. They have a lot of power. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 reasons why green card cases are being denied, why citizenship cases are being denied based on these two legal standards, and secrets how you can avoid these denials every single time. Hello everybody, welcome back to Immigration Channel. In this video, we'll talk about 4 main reasons why cases, green cards, and citizenship are being denied right now. We'll focus on the mandatory and the discretionary factors, and I'll tell you exactly why and what can you do to avoid this. So let's jump into reason number 1. Mandatory denials, non-negotiable roadblocks. If this happens to you, if you have this kind of background, your case will automatically be denied. Whether it's a green card, adjustment of status, or N400 citizenship, if you have certain legal issues, criminal convictions, like aggravated felonies, both for green cards and for citizenship, and you don't have waivers, and those felonies are still on your record, they're forced to deny your case. It is mandatory. They have no discretion, and every single time your green card and citizenship will be denied if you have any of these violations that are not excusable. These denials are dictated by statute or regulation. So for example, if you have aggravated felonies, if you committed a fraud that has no waiver for it, if you claim to be a US citizen, there's no waiver for that. These are mandatory denials, both for green card and for citizenship applications, which means you shouldn't have even applied in the first place. And because you did apply, and the officer now has no choice because he's looking at the statute, it's mandatory for him to deny your application. And so in these cases, officers have no room to negotiate or say nothing because it is a fact that you committed fraud. It is a fact that there's no waiver for that. It's a fact that you claim to be a citizen. It is a fact that aggravated felony is still fresh on your record. They have to go with statute, deny your application. So if this is the case with you guys, make sure you review your record before you apply. I see so many cases where people are applying either using a notario, paralegal, even some attorneys who have no idea about immigration and criminal law. They apply for their application, then they end up at the interview, the cases get denied, and they come to see us for a second opinion. And I say, there's nothing you can do. These officers, mandatory, they have to deny your case because it is what it is. The law says that you're not eligible for the benefit. So make sure you review your records before applying to avoid these mandatory denials. Number 2, before we talk about number 2, discretionary denials, I want to ask you a big favor. You guys are watching my videos every single week, but you're not a subscriber. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. Give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this to more people just like you. Also, if you need help with your immigration matter, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationsap.com. Leave your details so one of our team members will contact you ASAP. Now, let's get back into the video. Number 2, discretionary denials. What you've done in the past is now going to be under a microscope with the officer. Even if you meet all the eligibility requirements, you have a clean slate, USCIS can still deny your green card or your citizenship. And they do that by weighing negative factors versus positive factors. This is something that they've done all these years, and now they even have more power to do so under recent memos that came out a couple of months ago. Negative factors are immigration violations, unauthorized employment, your ideologies as anti-American, excessive speeding tickets, acting in reckless ways. All these things could be weighed negatively against you, even though none of these things are illegal per se. Positive factors like long-term U.S. residence, family ties, or community involvement may help you weigh the factors. USCIS has recently made it even more complicated. Even minor violations could be impacting you negatively, both for the green card and for your citizenship. Guys, to avoid this, you have to build a strong case, document everything, provide a lot of evidence for your positive factors, community involvement, family ties, all these things, and bring it both for your green card and for your citizenship interview. Number 3, minor missteps can overall derail your case downwards. Every action, like a dismissed arrest, paperwork inconsistency, unlawful use of public benefits, could be viewed negatively in any discretionary review. For example, a youthful prank expunged from your record might be seen as a troubling pattern, and the officer might need more proof to see that you have changed your ways, even if things happened 10 years ago. Multiple speeding tickets, while not illegal per se, could show that you are a reckless person. You have to bring affidavits, everything to show that you're not that person anymore. It is essential for your green card, but also for your citizenship. And finally, number 4, strict documentation rule vary by application. Document requirements are different between the adjustment of status and the N400 for citizenship. Specifically for arrests, guys. For N400, they're very, very strict. You need certified court records, not just the conviction itself. Specifically, they're going back 5 years during the statutory period. For green card holders, it's a little bit different. You have to provide records for all your arrests from any period of time. For citizenship, they're looking back only 5 years. For green card, they're going back years and years. It's very different, and you got to understand what you're applying for. When you're applying for citizenship, we're focusing on 5 years backwards. When you're applying for green card, they're going back for the entire history since you came to the United States or even overseas. So be mindful of what you're applying and prepare your documents accordingly, right, guys? So things are getting stricter, but if you're prepared and you follow the tips in this video, you'll get your green card and your citizenship without any problems. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you need my help, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationsap.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.